All right, guys, so a popping product, something that you definitely should not go without in your kit if you're doing your nails at home, is a cuticle remover. This is definitely going to make your removal process a lot easier as far as your prep and getting rid of those dry cuticles and niggles and naggles that we don't like to see. So the first thing you want to do is apply a thin layer of the cuticle remover to each of your fingers and let that product sit for about 15 seconds. After which you want to use a cuticle pusher, and if you don't have one already, I highly recommend the cuticle pusher from 14 Day Mani. This is going to help to soften the cuticle and make it a lot easier to push that back. Therefore, you're not going to risk causing any pain or discomfort trying to do that yourself. Once you've successfully pushed back your cuticles, you want to wash your hands with warm soapy water and you're all done. Now, if you have particularly calloused skin, you want to leave that cuticle remover on for a minute, but definitely not exceeding a minute, as you don't want to cause any irritation to your skin or your cuticles. But yeah, this is definitely going to be a holy grail in your product kit. It's going to make life so much easier for you, and 14 Day Mani is the way to go.